Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing who you serve and why. This makes outreach effective rather than scattershot. Once you have a persona, tighten your Facebook page and personal profile so visitors immediately understand your offer and how to contact you. Then publish a single outreach asset, a short video or carousel that demonstrates the pain and your solution. Make sure to pin it and add a direct CTA. These early moves put you in front of prospects and create the first touchpoint. Once your asset attracts views, scale with focused boosts and small budget tests across 2-5 precise audiences to learn who converts. Simultaneously set up conversational ads or messenger automation that asks qualifying questions and routes hot leads to you or a booking link. Make organic community work real. Join niche groups, provide daily value, and follow up on comments. This layered approach builds trust, surfaces intent, and creates predictable lead flow if you keep iterating on messaging and creative. Finish by converting interest into meetings with a 3-step follow-up. Deliver extra value, share concise social proof, and present a clear booking CTA within 72 hours. Track CTR, conversation rate, and booking rate so you know where prospects drop off. If conversions lag, diagnose the funnel. Check CTA clarity, page or messenger speed, and whether your qualification questions are too long. Fixing one bottleneck, like simplifying the booking step, often restores momentum and turns casual contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.